Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today, 3rd July 2025. Economic Outlook. Anyone Q1 growth. Q1 FY26 GDP seen rising 6-7%, down from 7.4% previous quarter. Factory output weakens. Industrial growth hit by tariff wars, unseasonal rains, and weak exports. Rail freight up. Railways Q1 freight volume rose 2% with double-digit growth in steel, grains. Legal developments. Sonia Rahul asset case. ED accuses Congress leaders of usurping 2,000 crore rupees of AGL assets. Parliament bail relief. Delhi HC grants bail to 2023 Parliament breach accused, cites dissent. Banking and finance. SBI tags Arcom fraud. SBI classifies Arcom loan as fraud, reports Anil Ambani to RBI. Foxconn recall impact. Foxconn repatriates 300 staff, iPhone 17 India plan may face delay. VRRR auctions expected. RBI to extend VRRR as 3.31 trillion rupee surplus hits banking system. TCS AI leadership shift. TCS names CIO for AI first plan, focuses on internal tech reform. AI risks in governance. Auditors warn India Inc lacks controls over growing AI deployments. Corporate finance. Adani Cement overhaul. Group merging all cement arms under Ambuja, aims stronger alignment. RIL FMCG restructure. RIL to carve out FMCG unit, aims for sharper investor focus. Saks faces fallout. Saks owner struggles post $2.7 billion Neiman Marcus acquisition. Good Glam cash crunch. Good Glam delays salaries, board exits amid 250 crore rupees funding need. Lodha must pay 5 to NCR. SC asks Lodha to deposit 521 crore rupees over Ed Hotel asset dispute. Tata Steel UK EBITDA. Tata Steel UK may turn EBITDA positive in FY26, ISPAT next year. International affairs. Quad backs mineral supply. Quad launches mineral security initiative amid China-linked supply fears. Dalai Lama successor row. Dalai Lama asserts succession rights, rejects China's recognition authority. Tax and compliances. Spersh fund flow shift. All central schemes to adopt SNA Spersh model from 1st November. Fuel retail fine dispute. Delhi HC seeks replies on CAC penalties for older fuel vehicles. Investments and finance. Startup IPO boom. 118 firms filed IPOs in H1, 1.6 trillion rupees targeted via fresh issues. Actis may exit Bluepine. Actis plans Bluepine sale, evaluation seen at 1,000,012,000 crore. TVS inventory IT raises 1,300 crore. TVS ILP secures 1,300 crore rupees from global, local investors via inventory IT. Nykaa stake sale eyed. HK-based investor to sell Nykaa shares worth 1,200 crore rupees via block deal. Biocon eyes Wegovy generic. Biocon targets Canadian launch of generic Ozempic, Wegovy by 2026. Financial markets. Sensex drops to 87 points. Sensex closes at 83,409.7, down 287.6 points on global uncertainty. Nifty slides to 25,453. Nifty slips 88.4 points, futures hold mild premium at 25,546. Gold nears 97,100 rupees. Gold price climbs 50 rupee to 97,090 rupee per 10 grams as investors seek safety. Crude holds near $69. Brent crude steady at $69.1 per BBL amid global demand caution. IPO count dips. Main board IPOs fall to 24 in H1 2025 from 36 in H1 2024.